Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be doing a window tint on a 2016 Corolla Toyota. So we already got the door jambs popped out a little bit right here, get the gaskets out of the way. Back ones came off super easily. This one I haven't even taken out yet, so you just pull it back on the top. Just get your finger in there. These are pretty big. And we're just going to pull that out. And there we go. Gaskets out of the way. So I got the tint cutting. We're going to be using SolarGuard Supreme 8%, so it's going to be dark tint. Everything's going to be on dark. But yeah, so let's get into it. We got our little station right here, glasses ready, got our slip solution right here. We're using Palmolive, and we still got to clean the windows and everything, so you're going to be on a full tint right now, guys, and this is going to take some time, but it's all good. So front two windows and the small triangle windows just got done. So let's see if we got anything else. Nope, that's cool. Okay, so let's prep the back window real quick, get that dryer sheet on there so it's nice and dry when we get back there. Just do a couple sprays right here for that tint. And there we go. So I like to do a little rub real quick, and there we go. So right here, this is just for the shrinking purposes. So use a dryer sheet so the tint has something to stick to on the back window when you're shrinking it. That will work. If you guys notice you don't see the whiteness of the dryer sheet, you probably want to do a little bit more slip solution. Just make sure it's nicely lubed up with that slip solution, or your window tint will not tack to it and it'll make it a lot harder to shrink. So this is still good, so we're gonna throw this right here, guys. Won't have any issues with that. Bam. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Got the car fully tinted, not too bad, about an hour and a half, about an hour and 20 minutes. But yeah, everything came out good. I'm just gonna put the car back together real quick. I mean, I already got the door panels back on, but just gotta put the bolts in, no big deal. Back window came out good. Hopefully the view's not too bad. I know it's a little rough because it's such a small car. When I get my next SUV in, I'll post a video of that. SUVs are a lot funnier to tint than a car. But all right, guys, I appreciate you watching. As always, Mark out.